Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 17 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. The chaos continued blank the night. A. Beside. B. Despite. C. Throughout. Correct answer, throughout, during the whole period. Rose looked blank the beautiful diamond. A. To. B. At. C. From. Correct answer, at, to show a specific direction of looking. Jack took Rose blank a party. A. At. B. To. C. From. Correct answer, to show movement towards a place. Jack was blank his way to America. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, on, to show on one's way. The ship was blank the middle of the ocean. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, in, being within a large area. Like, comment and subscribe.